This is God Voice TV. Welcome to the house of Ithiel. On the 26th of June 2024, the man of God, Prophet Favor Ithiel, gave a prophetic word to nations. The prophet said, this year, few African countries will face health challenges, but next year, it will become a major target. Let us hear what the prophet said and its fulfillments.
Few African nations will suffer for common sickness this year. Next year, it will be the main target. Let us be on our feet in prayer.
Shifting focus now, after mpox, another health scare is emerging in Africa. At least 6 people have died in Rwanda in a fresh outbreak of the Marburg virus. It is a highly infectious disease that leads to severe illness. At least 26 cases have been confirmed since Friday in Rwanda. Authorities say the majority of the victims are health workers in the intensive care unit, and they are tracking around 300 more people who may have been exposed to the virus, mostly in the capital city of Kigali. Rwandan government is implementing measures such as contact tracing, quarantining affected individuals, and launching public health awareness campaigns to curb the virus.
In the other outbreaks, this type of disease, most of the time, if not all the time, they start from hospitals. Because if you are sick, you go to a hospital anyway. And that explains why healthcare providers are the most at risk. And so far, more than 8% of the patients we have are actually healthcare workers or staff within those departments taking care of very sick patients.
So, what is the Marburg virus? It is a highly infectious disease similar to Ebola. The virus was first identified in 1967 in the German city of Marburg, hence the name. Now, the suspected natural source of the Marburg virus is the African fruit bat, which carries the pathogen but does not fall sick from it. African green monkeys and pigs can also carry the virus. As per the WHO, the disease has a high fatality rate ranging from 24 to 88%. In humans, the virus can spread through bodily fluids such as blood, saliva, vomit, and objects contaminated with fluids like clothing, bedding, and needles, etc.
Following the recent outbreak of the Marburg virus in Rwanda, the Ministry of Health continues to remind people to be vigilant, recognize the symptoms, and seek medical attention at health facilities immediately if any signs appear. The ministry also urges people to cooperate in adhering to preventive measures to curb the spread of the virus across the country. In an announcement made by the Minister of Health, Dr. Sabin Sanzimana, it was reported that 6 people have lost their lives due to the virus, and 20 others across the country are currently infected and receiving medical care. Among the affected, the majority are health personnel. Take a look.
In Rwanda, an outbreak of hemorrhagic fever caused by the Marburg virus has been confirmed. Currently, there are 20 reported cases and 6 fatalities. The majority of those affected, as well as those who have succumbed to the virus, are healthcare personnel, particularly those working in emergency settings. The Ministry of Health, public institutions, and other partners are collaborating to identify individuals who have come into contact with both the infected individuals and those who have passed away. The Marburg virus is transmitted through contact with the blood or secretions of infected individuals or by sharing materials or clothing used by them. Infected individuals may not show any signs or symptoms for a period of 3 days to 3 weeks.
Viewers, you can see how far the eyes of Jesus Christ can reach. Yes, even in our situations, this is to remind us that Jesus Christ sees it and He is concerned about it, to grant us solutions to our problems. Do not forget, this channel is all about Jesus Christ. Keep watching God Voice TV for the salvation of souls.